Hey guys, general mechanic right here. And look where I'm at. In a place 2 hours away from shop, from home. Look, that one right there. My truck just broke down. Um, Crazy thing is that, being somebody that work in cars and go out 2 hours away and you got no tools, that's messed up. I mean, I always like to keep a bag full of tools just in case anything happened down the road. But look, here I am, broke down. What happened is my pressure line from the power steering pump broke, blew up. Just pulling in, I came to pick up a transmission right here at this place, Weaver Automotive place, and I was just turning around right there in that area to back up to that bay, and crazy thing just blew up. It just blew up, and all the power steering fluid came out. That's not the only problem. I could have drove from here to an auto parts and get the stuff I need, but look at here. Here I am stuck. Why? Because that crazy thing has got a hydro boost system for the brakes. Got no brakes, got no steering. I got to leave it. I got to leave it right here. So what I'm having to do is I done call me an Uber. He's gonna come pick me up, go to the auto parts, get me some tools. Crazy, but it is what it is. Buy the part. I'm gonna end up paying a lot more because Advance, who I really like to deal with, is not close by. The closest one is Oralis, and so I'm gonna have to go through them, get the part, pay whatever they want for it, and get me some tools and come back and fix it. So this is messed up, guys. Always keep a small bag of tools in your thing. Anyway, if I would have had it, there's no way I could have drove from here there, but at least I wouldn't have to spend the money getting the new tools to get that crazy hose, and hoping to get home early, but it seems like it's gonna be a long day. So hey guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and anything you want to say, just leave it in the comment below. But main thing is be blessed out there. Hope that everybody's having a good time and not having to struggle like me right now. So we'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.